Yo, what's up YouTube? Today I'm going to show you guys how to upload videos to Instagram Reels. It's the new competition to TikTok. I don't know, let's get right into the video. So what you're going to need to do is open up Instagram and then swipe left, and then Reels is going to be right here. Swipe up to see all the videos you can upload. This is what it should look like. This is some of my videos I've uploaded on YouTube. If you want to check out my YouTube, go subscribe. Or you're probably watching this on YouTube. Never mind. Where is it at? Right here. Boom. I did this a while ago. Never uploaded it on Instagram though. Just click upload up here. Click next right here. If you don't want to put any of this stuff on here, just click next. And then if you want to add a text, it's like a story from Instagram. And then click next, and then choose a caption. Let me go back. Did I choose? Yeah. Choose a title. Alright guys, I chose a title and I put some hashtags in there. I'm not sure if that's gonna help it get explored, but I just did it. Go in here and you can change the cover. Click done, and then all you gotta do is click share. And then if you click share on your post, it's gonna share on your feed. See if it loads. Alright, once it's loaded, it's gonna show up on your feed right here, and then you're gonna have a new section right here for Reels. I think it's called, I can never pronounce it right. Reels. It's R-E-E-L. I cannot do it, whatever it is, but it's gonna be in here once it's done loading. Is it done loading yet? Yeah, it's finishing up. I'm just gonna put no thanks right now, but this is what it looks like once it's in here. I wonder if you can just guys, if you want to learn how to do what I'm doing right now, like use your Android device through a desktop, let me know in the comments down below, because that's what I'm doing right now. I'm on my computer and I plugged in my Android, and then this helps you make tutorials. So just go in here. I don't know guys, hope you guys enjoyed this short tutorial, and if this helped you out, and then if you want to follow me on Instagram, follow me on Instagram guys, and my YouTube channel. You're probably watching this on YouTube, so go check me out on YouTube too. And yeah, later. Don't let yourself drop till your heart stops. Let this be